The Moscow Mule. It's cool, spicy and sharp. It's a bit like your mother's friend, who claims she was raised in a circus, who cons gullible people by reading their fortunes and giving them healing crystals. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, to start this off, the ingredients. We're using Smirnoff Ice, ginger beer, lime and mint. This here is a mule mug. It actually looks like something which belongs in an eccentric relative's house, along with a load of random antiques, knickknacks, stolen gold, taxidermied animals, and you just hope they don't have a secret room full of Nazi memorabilia. In the mule mug, add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of vodka. Then add half an ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Add some crushed ice. Then add 3.5 ounces, so that's 105 ml of ginger beer. The mule was born in America in 1941 when John Martin needed to sell Smirnoff vodka, which was not a well-known spirit in the United States at the time. Another man, Jack Morgan, had a big stash of ginger beer he needed to use up, and along with their friend Rudolph Kunnet, the mule was born. Give this a stir. Now this part's going to get a bit messy. Top it off with a crushed ice snow cone, like a mountain on Scarface's desk, but just don't underestimate the amount of ice you need. Garnish this with a lime wheel. Give the mint leaves a slap just to wake them up, and then add these to the mug. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.